Adding more raw food into your day-to-day life. Welcome back, my friends, for a little recalibration with your homie, Raw Natty Nathan. You guys, I'm in this beautiful canyon. Just incredible. Look at how huge. I mean, the camera does no justice, but this is a massive, massive wall. These are just so beautiful, these canyons. Look at this white sand, just gorgeous. So adding more raw foods into your day-to-day life, what do? It's plain and simple. You do just that. You just add a little bit more raw foods into your day-to-day life. Like maybe start off with doing your breakfast a little different. Have a smoothie, a delicious green smoothie with lots of, roughage, different leafy greens, and maybe, an apple, a carrot, some ginger, maybe even throw a little garlic in there or something rather. Experiment. You might find some really good combinations, but just adding more into your life each and every day, soon you'll be eating an abundance of raw foods. And as you guys know, if you guys know who I am and you follow my channel, I love raw foods. Raw foods changed my life in so many ways, and I just get really passionate about talking about raw foods. Raw foods are just amazing. And to help you guys, a couple tips would be just adding more day by day, little by little. Soon you'll be eating quite a bit more raw food and you're going to feel amazing. Plain and simple. What's the most impressive is just seeing how long you can eat raw foods for. See if you can eat raw food and nothing but raw food for like a month. That's incredible. A 30-day challenge. Challenge yourself to 30 days. Track what you eat using the tracking app called Chronometer. I'll link it in the description down below. You track what you eat so you know exactly if you're getting enough. You want to be getting enough. When you go to eating raw foods, it's easy to undereat. So make sure you're getting enough by tracking what you're eating and just start incorporating more raw foods into your everyday life. Little bit by little bit. If you're eating 70 to 80% raw, man, you're doing amazing. Give yourself the pat on the back, root yourself on, and show compassion for yourself if you are having struggles with eating more raw. One trick definitely would be to keep your fats low. So that's where the Chronometer comes in. You can kind of track a couple days, maybe a week, do every single day. That right there, really starts to create a habit. And if you're tracking every single day, you're able to see what percentage of calories you're getting and nutrients through these different foods. If you're tracking everything, if you're just be honest with yourself, put it in there. You might find that your fat is actually really high. Maybe it's around 30% fat intake or more. Maybe your protein is also, high. Keeping your fat intake between 10 and 15, of course, you're gonna feel the best. So play around with it, but definitely just add more each and every single day. Start with your breakfast, bring fruit with you for snacks, have a raw lunch, start doing raw dinners, or just straight up challenge yourself to go 30 days raw. Maybe you start off with a weekend and you go a weekend completely raw. Just say to yourself every single day, I'm gonna be a raw vegan today. Raw vegan, of course, you guys, get the animal products out of your life first and foremost. We don't need to be ingesting animal products. That's just unnecessary. We can operate really efficiently by incorporating an abundance of variety and plant diversity, right? Through variety and tracking what we're eating so we know that we are getting enough. Because this is the thing, when you start to eat raw foods, it can be really easy to only be ingesting 8, 9, 1,200 calories, 1,500 calories for the day. And if you're eating 1,500 calories a day, say depending on your activity level, that is not enough calories. So really focus on tracking what you're eating. That is so huge. That is such a huge thing. And just incorporate more raw, adding more raw to each and every day. Pretty soon you guys are gonna be eating, if you're wanting to be eating raw foods and mainly raw foods, you guys are going to be eating nothing but raw foods very, very soon just by adding more into your every single day. And soon it'll just become natural. It just becomes a habit. So definitely incorporate more, just adding more each and every single day, and you're on your way. And if you guys are needing inspiration, we have 40% off of all of our meal plans and recipe books. I'll click the links right here, as well as down in the description below. Check those out. Raw Food 40 for 40% off, as well as we've got a meal planner app, $5 a month. So you have plenty of recipes to choose from, breakfast, lunches, and dinners, and snack ideas to keep you guys on this trail for as long as possible. You're going to feel the best. I personally feel so amazing. I eat an abundance of raw food. I track what I'm doing. That way I know I'm on point, and after a while it just becomes second nature. It will be just the same for you guys as well, just by adding more into your every single day, little by little. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications for new uploads. And until next time, you guys, love ya.